Skilly! We can't go reach for the east side, you know, that the plane I run out of gas. Guess what? Yo, meet me at a Rocky Point. Send the alien them come. The plane I run out of gas. More laddie! More laddie, Skilly!
Watch it up.
The plane just crash with the coke. Stick on the nose. Sell it. Like say me have a store. We had the plug, now they wanna charge for. The plane just crash with the coke.
Mr. Skillibeng, we're going out to Rocky Point, Clarendon.
The plane just crashed with the coke.
Hey, so when my team go there, we even find a black fingerprint. Want to the coke?
Sell it, like say me have a store.
Oh yeah? Drugs trafficking is a serious crime, that you know. But just tell me what I need to know so I can set you free.
Tell a rat don't ram with me cheese.
Oh, so you're not talk? Well, tell me something. How are you like you from the ghetto get so rich and connected?
Colombian leaf with the coke white like a Puerto Rican bitch.
I'm not lying to them girl, they're nice, you know. But don't stray from the topic. When we get the calls to the plane crash, by the time our officers reach down there, everything gone. How is that?
Alien, them a roll out for that quick.
Alien? You can talk to alien. How them sound? Skillibeng, I poop a while ago, my general. Mr. Skillibeng!
Yeah, man.
We find multiple guns at your house, you know. What is this?
Brand new gun.
Brand new gun? How it sound? A 45 from a boy?
Is there?
Hey boy, no respect police. You have a box in your ass.
You can't bad me up. I shot people. My damn heaver.
Oh, so you confess to your crime. What else you do?
Me not too talk up all up and speak.
Skilly, ease yourself now, man. You go let me at them regular police. You know my thing go. How much more guns you have?
We have the 12 gauge with the rapid bus.
What else?
Brand new shine black figure shoot rival.
If you ever fall one more time in that interrogation with me, boy,